Hello, Joe. In this video, we're going to use our System Hydronic Wizard and build the project Hydronic fan coil heating system you see here and the Hydronic fan coil cooling system you see here as well. Let me grab my pen and just pan up here a little bit and zoom in. You'll see 10 tons of cooling, 60,000 BTUs of heating. And that's basically based on whatever loads are out in the system here. You'll see all those fan coils. I have the same heating, 10,000 BTUs of cooling load and 5,000 for heating. So let me go to a new sheet of paper, and we're just going to come into the wizard here. It's the fourth wizard over, which says Hydronic System Wizard. We're going to just answer questions, and it's this simple, and build systems. We want a reverse return system, 2-pipe, heating and cooling separate schematics. You can see there's other options there. 3 loops, just put it down to 2 here so we can see it all on one page. Mechanical room in the bottom right, that's kind of where the boilers and chillers would show up. Number of loads, let's make them 5 loads on each loop. Fan coil unit, Williams. Remember, we can select product after we've designed it. Control valves, they add head to the system, so we want to add them on the project schematic. Then here's, you're going to enter the heating BTUs for the coil and the cooling as well as CFM right here. This is information as well as temperatures that you get from your loads program. Since this box is checked, each loop and load is all going to have the same data, just in interest of time. And then, here on our source, you see all sorts of boilers and all sorts of different choices you have for your generation source as well as cooling. Air-cooled, heat recovery, water-cooled. Let's pick that one on this example. Then how many boilers? 100%, so you can mix that up and change it. 2 to 50. Well, let's do it. 2 to 50% each boiler. Axiom condensate neutralizer on that boiler. 1 water-cooled chiller. Let's throw an air mech in there. Okay. 1 tower. How we want to pipe and pump it up, which would be primary, secondary for the heating cooling system. We need to come down here and do for the condenser, manifolded. How many pumps? Secondary, cooling, heating, chiller, manifolded pump, yes. 1 expansion tank, 1 air separator. When you hit finish here, you're going to see our 2 boiler hydronic hot water schematic, our water cooled chiller schematic there. Let's pan in over here. 8.3 tons. Obviously, if anything changes in the system, right? If all these loads they go in, fan coil, let's add a 0 to all those. 80,000 BTUs of cooling now. Okay, now we're 45.8 tons. Piping updated. See the larger size here on diameter. 4-inch. If you go back, take the loads, reduce them back down, you'll see we're down to the 1,000, and our piping was probably a couple inches. That's how easy it is in HVAC solution to build hydronic, air, steam systems by coming into our wizard toolbar, answering questions on one of these 8 wizards, and modeling your project to be part of your Revit package or AutoCAD. Hey, thanks for watching.